Good evening, everyone. I'm audible clearly. Can someone confirm? Is this screen also visible clearly? Okay, thanks for update. We'll start in couple of 5 minutes. We'll start in 5 minutes. Just wait for 5 minutes. We'll start in 5 minutes. Okay, guys. So let's start now. Nidhi, I give an answer to your question now. If question asks absolute value, then put absolute value. Otherwise, we're supposed to put with along with sign then. Okay, let's start. Guys, I think maybe you've done something called as a spatial equation in your batch. Spatial equation, is it done? So it will be today's session connect with that. We need to find a maximum minimum value. I think we have done one session, maximum minima in terms of reasoning, in terms of DILR. So today's session is also same as a maximum minima, but in terms of maths, in terms of quant. So record some specific rule. Now, for example, there is a question based on time and work, and question asks for maximum minima. Indirectly, you should know concept of time and work first. There may be question based on quadratic equation. There may be question based on quadratic equation that asks maximum minima. You should know basic of quadratic equation first. So please understand, you should know the basic concept of relevant topics. Otherwise, you're not able to solve these questions. One. Second thing, very important, we are not looking for confirm answer, looking for possible match to max answer, possible minimum to minimum answer. So be specific. I hope these are clear. We'll start question one by one. I'm assuming that we have already done all the quant chapters. Yes, Kush, any doubts? I'm assuming that you people have done all the math questions, math chapters so far. So maybe I'm not discussing that much basic part, but how to handle that question in terms of maximum, we'll discuss that. So let's begin now. Question number. So this is the first question. Try to work. Take a couple of minutes. So guys, my first impression is question based on clock. You should know basic of clock first. Otherwise, this question cannot be simplified. I hope every batch done time per distance chapter. So this based on time per distance, part of time per distance. You just a couple of minutes, we'll start discussion then. In between any doubts, kindly unmute yourself and ask the questions. Or maybe you can ask the question through chat. Okay, let's start discussion now. Now, please understand the minor angle between the hour hand and minute hand of the clock observed at 8:45. What is time given? 8:48. This is the time given to you. And at this particular moment, we want angle. If you remember, as per clock chapter, angle given by the rule, theta equal to 30 into h minus 11 by 2 into m. This formula is available. So as per this question, value of h will be 8 and value of m is minutes. Minutes nothing but 48. Just do the calculation. Tell me the value of this. So this is 240 minus, what is the remaining number? I think this is 264. So what is theta equal to then? Mod of minus 24. Indirectly, angle will be plus 24 at 8:48 am. I hope this formula is okay. Any doubts, let me know. This part is okay. So at 8:48 am, what is the angle given? 24. Now what is the condition given? The angle increased by 40%. So 24 should be increased by 50% now. Where angle increased by 50%. So 24 is increased by 50%. That will be plus 20, plus 12 then. So new angle will be 36. This part is okay. So what is the growth in angle 12? If you remember, after every 1 minute, the angle between two hands increase by ln by 2 or decrease by ln by 2. Repeat again. After every 1 minute, angle between two hands increase by ln by 2 or decrease by ln by 2. In 1 minute, angle change by how much? Ln by 2 degree per minute. What is the change in angle required? 12. In 1 minute, what is the angle change? Ln by 2. What is change required? 12. So what is the minutes will be then? Is nothing but 12 divided by ln by 2. So do the calculation, it will be 24 by 11. So option D is the answer. This part is okay. If any doubts, please ask. Any doubts, please ask. In 1 minute, angle change by how much? Ln by 2 degree per minute. What is change required? 12. To get a change of 12, how many minutes are required? Or maybe you can see simplify like this also. In 1 minute, what is change? Is ln by 2 degree per degree. So in X minutes, we're looking to change for 12. 1 minute equal ln by 2, X minute equal 12. So 1 upon X equal to ln by 2 divided by 12. Just cross multiply. So what is X will be then? To cross multiply, it should be what? 24 by 11 minutes. Any doubts? Please respond. Any doubts? Is it okay? Can I proceed? Any questions? Any questions? Is it okay? Can I proceed? Yeah. Chalo, let's take the next question now. This is question number 2. Try to work. I'm giving a couple of minutes to think on these questions. Student, at least form equations. The remaining part I can simplify with you. At least try to form an equation by using average table. So let's start now. As per the given condition, what is average marks of section A given? Is 32. Section B is 60. The number of students in section I'm taking K. Then what for B will be? And if you look at A is 10 less than B given. A is 10 less than B. Indirectly, what is B should be then? It should be K plus 10. Now find the average of this. Find the average of this is nothing but 32 into K, 60 into K plus 10, whole divided by K plus 10. Solve this further. So 32K plus 60K plus 600 whole divided by 2K plus 10. So this is nothing but 92K plus 600 whole divided by 2K plus 10. I hope this is okay so far. Now to cancel 2K plus 10, so try to bring 2K plus 10 as a common number. So I can easily say to make it 92K as a 2K, we'll take 42 as a common number. So this is nothing but 2K plus 10. What the remaining number will be here? 46 into 12 will be 460. So remaining will be here 140. Whole divided by 2K plus 10. So 2K plus 2, 2K plus 10 get cancelled. So what the remaining part will be here? Is 46 plus 140 upon 2K plus 10. And if I solve further, it's nothing but 46. If I divide with 2 up and down, it will be 70 upon K plus 5. So this is the final average. As per the condition given, this should be integer. Please check the paragraph. This should be integer. So far this is okay. So far this is okay. Any doubts? Can I proceed? Remaining part I will solve on the next slide. So any doubts so far, let me know. Any doubts so far, let me know. Is it okay? Can I proceed? As per the given paragraph, K is a number, K is an integer, K is a natural number because K is the number of people. So K cannot be decimal point. Very important. K must be natural number. K is a natural number. K is a natural number, but answer should be integer. I'll take the next slide now. Yes, Tanish, you can take any variable, doesn't matter. It's up to you. So I'll take the next slide now. To understand what equation we got here now? 46 plus 70 upon K plus 5. It must be integer. And understand, question asks for section A only. Question asks for section A only. That is why I have taken A equal to K. Is okay? Now please understand, 46 is the integer, 70 also integer, but final answer will be integer. So denominator with K plus 5 must be factor of 70. K plus 5 must be factor of 70. K plus 5 must be factor of 70. So we need to take value, minimum value of K, maximum value of K. So now tell me K is a natural number. K is a natural number. So can I say indirectly K can be anything from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. But condition that after putting the value of K, 70 must be get completely divisible. 70 must get completely divisible. Now you tell me what is the lowest factor of 70? 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 Okay, what a factor of 70 possible? 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 5 will go up to what 70. I hope these are clear. So gate denominator is 1, k should be what? -4. That is not possible then. Is that okay? If I'm going to make this k is a natural number, I'll start with the value of putting the value of k then. Put k equal to 1. If I put k equal to 1, denominator becomes 6. 70 not divisible by 6. If I put k equal to 2, equation become like this: 46, 70 divided by 6. But it's not an integer, it's not possible. If I put k equal to 2, 46, 70 divided by 2 plus 5. Nothing but 50, and this is integer. So this is minimum value. Similarly, what is biggest factor of 70 is 70. To try to get denominator 70 then. To make divisor as 70, put k equal to what? 65. Put k equal to what? 65. This is also possible, and 65 is a maximum value. This is okay. Is it clear? What is minimal of k2? What is maximal of k65? What is asked in the question? The difference between both. What is final answer will be then? 65 minus 2. This is the difference. 63 is the final answer. Good enough? Is it okay? We need to gauge the value of k in such a way that that will be completely divides 70. This concept clear? Tanish, better put value of a as a k. Don't take value of b as a k. Because if you put the value of b as a k, again you need to find the value of a then. Is it Tanish okay? Any doubts in this question? Question number 2, any doubts? Let me know. Any questions? When I say minimum maximum, I completely guesswork. Please understand that. When I say minimum maximum, it should be completely guesswork. Condition apply, k is a natural number. If k is not given natural number, k can be negative also then. But it's given k is a natural number, answer should be integer. So we'll try to get divisor as a denominator as a factor of 70. Anupriya, try to address the adjustment. I have taken 46 common. So what is 46 into 10? Is it 460? I have taken 46 common. So 46 into 10 is 460. Out of 600, I have taken 460 separate. The remaining part is 140. Part is okay. Answer for maximum will be 40, 50, 47. Yeah, correct. This is 46 plus 1. But question not ask for output, a question asks for input. Question not ask for output, question asks for input. What can be input values? Okay, I'm assuming this question is done now. So the adjustment is more important. Take 46 common. So the denominator easily get cancels. That is more important in this question. Can I proceed? Is it okay? Yeah, take question number 3 now. I'm giving a couple of minutes think on this question. One humble request, guys. If you miss the screenshot, kindly wait till at the end of a class then. Please take it fast. Ravina, some student already given the answers. Anyway, we try to form an equation now. Number of checks available of what? 100 rupees, 250 and 500. So I'm taking number of checks as ABC. So how many 100 rupee checks? A. How many 250 rupee check? B. How many 500 rupee checks? C. And what is total number checks are given? 100. Similarly, if I convert values, the equation become like this. 100A, 250B, and 500C. This must be equal to 15250. Okay. So just try to form an equation then. What is equation number 1? A plus B plus C equal to 100. Second equation, if we cancel 0, or if I divide by, cancel zeros and then divide by 5. This is equation number 1. So from second values, cancel 0 first and then divide by 5. If I do like that, what the equation will be then? 2A plus 5B plus 10C must be equal to 305. Good enough. This is okay. Second equation clear. Second equation clear. Basically, what I done, I divided by 50 here. Is that okay? Now try to solve this equation, but understand question asks for what? 500. Question asks for 500 rupee checks. Is nothing but value of C. So we need to find value of C now. You cancel A, you cancel B, doesn't matter. But try to keep C as it is. We'll try to cancel A now. To try to cancel A, this should be multiplied by 2. It become 2A plus 2B plus 2C equal to 200. Is equation number 3. Now equation 2 minus equation 3. A get cancelled. What is remaining then? Remaining what? 3B plus 8C equal to 105. Good enough. So far, any doubts? To understand, this is simple equation. One equation, two variable. We're not able to guess the value. And understand A, B, C are natural number because number of checks. So I can use the logic of spatial equation here. Can I say 3B is a divisible by 3? And 105 also divisible by 3. Indirectly 8C also divisible by 3. This also divisible by 3. Indirectly this must be also divisible by 3. So C should be multiple of 3. C should be multiple of 3. Like this only. C should be multiple of 3. And question asks C should be maximum. Very important. Question asks C should be what? Maximum. Do the calculation then. If I put C equal to 0, then what is value of B will be then? $35. Correct? So as per spatial equation concept, this will be increased by 3 and this will be decreased by 8. Just proceed. Just proceed the numbers. If I take 15, it become minus 5. This is not possible. If I look at this table, 12 is a maximum possible number. This part is okay. 12 is a maximum possible number. So C cannot be more than 12. In this particular case, if you look at value of B, we got 3. C, we got 12. So by default, what is A will be then? 12 plus 3 is 15. Value of A will be 85 then. Okay, anyway, the question of C should be maximum. What is the answer then? 12. Sujal, any doubts? Sujal, any doubts? Yeah, this is the question based on spatial equation. You should know the concept of spatial equation here. In this question, value of ABC can be 0 also, if required. In this question, value of ABC can be 0 also. Any questions? Is it okay? Raj, any doubts? Suyog, what is 28? Suyog, what is 28? Guys, there are some cat questions, huh? But I try to cover maximum question from previous cat only. Rahul, it cannot be plus 8 minus 3. If I do minus 3, value of C become negative, and number of checks cannot be negative. Spatial equation chapter, please attend that once again. Is that okay? Number of checks cannot be negative. So C will increase, B will decrease. So let's take the next question now. Try this one. Take a couple of minutes on this. Okay, now let's clear the question. Let A, B, Mn be natural numbers such that A greater than 1, B greater than 1, A raised to M into B raised to N equal 144 is to 145. Find out the largest possible value of N minus N. The gap should be maximum we want. So first of all, convert this 144 raised to 145 in simple format. So 144 I can write is nothing but 12 square raised to 145. So nothing but 3 into 4 raised to 290. Nothing but 3 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 2 raised to 290. Again, if I simplify, it becomes 3 raised to 290 into 2 raised to 580. Is it okay so far? And we want N minus M should be maximum gap. So maybe I can compare like this. I can say this is a value of B and this is a value of A. If I compare the power, what is N equal to then? N equal to 580 and M equal to 290. So what is N minus M will be then? This part is okay. Is it answer 290? Is it answer is 290? Is the answer is 290? See, understand, question asks for largest possible value. Largest possible value between N minus M. This is one of the case, but it's not the largest. What is another possibility I can take? I can write like this. I can write the number like this. This part is okay. Now we can compare here. And you can compare here. So I can say n will be what? 580. M will be what? 1. The maximum value. This part is okay. Small changes required. But many students mark answer 290. Many students will mark the answer as 290. That will be wrong. Is it this technique is clear? This is more important. Adjustment is more important. Any questions? Any questions? Final answer is 579. See, we question not based on base, question based on power. A and B are a base, Mn and power. Question based on Mn and power. So try to adjust in terms of power, not in terms of base. Okay, can I proceed? Is it okay now? Any questions? Let's take the next question then. That is one. Take a couple of minutes, think on this. Question based on quadratic equation. This question based on quadratic equation. If you know the meaning of no real roots, question very simple for you. No real roots. If you know the meaning of that, question is very easy. Anybody got the answers? So guys, let's start. First of all, tell me what is standard quadratic equation? X square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Am I right? Is it okay? If I compare this, what will A will be then? Okay, first when you expand this. So x minus 1 the whole square plus 2x kx plus 11 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 11 equal to 0. So this is x square plus x 2k minus 2 plus 12 equal to 0. Now if I compare equation, what a will be then? A will be 1, b will be 2k minus 2, and c equal to 12. And what do you mean here? No real roots means? Roots are imaginary. No real. Indirectly, b square minus 4ac must be less than 0. So just put the value, do the calculations. Do the calculations. If I expand the bracket again, it will be 4k square minus 8k plus 4 minus 48 less than 0. Good enough? Is it okay? So this is nothing but 4k square minus 8k minus 44 less than 0. If I divide by 4, it will be k square minus 2k minus 11 less than 0. So if I do some adjustment now, please understand this is not a perfect square. So if I do some adjustment here, I can write it this format: k square minus 2k plus 1 minus 11 minus 1 less than 0. So this is the expansion of what? K minus 1 the whole square minus 12 less than 0. So k minus square is less than 12. So k minus square must be less than 12. Very important. If I take a root, I can say k minus 1 must be less than root of 12. So k minus 1 must be less than what? It will be 3 point something. What is k will be then? Less than 4 point something. I hope this is clear so far. I don't know exact value of root 12. So 3 point something. So k will be 4 point something. So from this data and is given k is the largest integer. K is the largest integer. So k is less than 4 point something. Indirectly, what is maximum value k will be then? Is 4 only. So far is okay. Let me know. So far this part is okay. Is it clear? CR value of d cannot be 0. It should be less than 0. CR. I don't know what is the name, but no real means it should be less than 0, not equal to 0. So far this is okay. Any doubts? Let me know so I can proceed. Remaining part then. Can I proceed? Is it okay? So finally we got k equal to what? 4. Any doubts in this explanation part? Please ask. So let's take the next slide then. Those who want to take a screenshot, please take it now. Remaining calculation, do next slide. Rushika, can you please unmute, tell me where is your doubt? If possible, can you please unmute, tell me where is your doubt? So that adjustment I've done to make it perfect. So I've done the adjustment. I do +1 -1 to balance each other. Is it okay? This step can I write like this? After this, I can write like this. To make it perfect square, I'll add 1 on both the side. What is okay? So we'll go for next part now, next slide now. Now please understand, we want a value of this. We want value of this. So what is the first number here? K upon 4y. And second number here, 9 and y. And we know the rule, arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean. So what is the arithmetic mean of these two numbers? K upon 4y plus 9y whole divided by 2. And what is geometric mean? Multiply both and take a square root. And we know the value of k now. Anyway, we know the value of k now, but question is asked in terms of k only. So k upon 4y plus 9y is nothing but root of 4 upon 4y into 9y. Is it okay? Is it clear? Y get cancelled, 4 will get cancelled. So finally, what is remaining here? K upon 4 plus 4y, 9y whole divided by 2 greater than equal to 3. Just cross multiply K upon 4y plus 9y greater than equal to 6. So K upon 4y plus 9y. What is minimum answer of this will be? Is 6. Is it okay? Arithmetic mean and geometric mean. This part is okay. Can I proceed? But question will be lengthy. Might be in first attempt, maybe not attempt this question. To make it perfect square, if you're not able to adjust the number, question is difficult to solve then. Can I proceed? Is it okay? Any questions? Let's take the next question now. Try this one. The actual question is something like this, guys. Huh? This is your question. As per a question, K should be maximum. In previous question, K should be maximum, but final should be minimum. Please share a question again. K is the largest number. What is largest value of K is 4. But minimum answer for that equation. Is that okay? Anaya, we don't know what is value of Y here in this question. So some pattern will be there. Y is a positive real number. What is Y? I don't know, but this part is okay. Is it clear? Please try to work, guys. If you don't know log, then don't attend the question then. अगर आपको लॉग लॉग आता ही नहीं है तो क्वेश्चन अटेंड करने मतलब नहीं बनेगा. Vishika, have you done the log? If you done the log, question is very easy then. Try to make it base equal first. Otherwise, not able to solve this question. Try to make base equal for first log term, second log terms. So practically, I can write like this format. Please check it. Any doubts in this? So this 3 we can take outside. As per logarithm term, I can 3 outside. 1 by 3 log of a plus b to the base 2 and log of c to the base 2. So nothing but 1 by 3 log of a plus b to the base c. Use same logic second term also now. Please tell me. Use same logic second term also and tell me what is the answer we'll get here. Use same logic here and simplify it. Please tell me the answer of this. Use same concept. What is 27 is 3 cube. So again same pattern will apply here. To base c. 1 by 3 get cancelled. Is equal to 2 only. Now for both the log, base is same and middle term is a plus. So number should be multiplied. It will be a plus b is equal to 2. It will be something like this. A square minus b square equal to 2. And if I remove the log term, becomes something like this. C square equal to a square minus b square. Indirectly we got a square equal to b square plus c square. We got this equation. Now we need to gauge the value of b and abc now. Think about this. A should be largest possible integer. A should be largest possible integer. What is the value of b and c we can take? Think on this question, guys. You just guess the value of b and c. Question more easy. A should be largest. Very important. A should be maximum. And to maximize A, this B and C both should be maximum as much as possible. Both B and C should be maximum as much as possible as. So now tell me what is the maximum value B and what is the value maximum value C I can take. I'll take a next slide, guys. I'll take a next slide. Those who want to take a screenshot, please take it. Those who want to take a screenshot, please take it. I'll go for next slide. So the question become here a square is equal to b square plus c square. That's a very important. What is ABC? Are positive real number. It's not good integers. Very important. ABC not integer. ABC are positive real numbers. So ABC can be decimal point also. But if we want A as an integer, greatest possible integer as a value of A. So do the guesswork. Find the value of B and C now. Guys, condition given like this. To maximize A, B and C should be also maximized. So now tell me from this condition, what is the maximal B and C we can take? Tell me guys. Can I say B max to max 10? And C also max to max 10? Indirectly A square equal to what? 10 square plus 10 square. Indirectly A square equal to 200. Indirectly A equal to what? Root of 200. So can I say A should be 14 point something? Is 14 point something. And A should be integer now. A should be integer now. So what is maximal A will be then? 14. A must be integer, but B and C may be integer, may not be integer. We don't know that. If all ABC are integer, it will become like a Pythagoras theorem. All ABC are integers, it become like a Pythagoras theorem. But it's not given B and C are integer. Very important. If all ABC are integers, it should be Pythagoras theorem. It should be Pythagoras triplet, I can say. Is it okay? Any questions? Very important. ABC are positive real number. ABC are integer not given anywhere. ABC positive real number given. ABC integer not given. It may be integer, it may be decimal point also. But final answer A should be integer. Final answer A should be what? Integer. Is it okay? Can I proceed? Can I proceed? Is it okay? A first impression, if you don't know log, better leave the question then. If you not do the log questions, not log chapter, better leave it. Don't attempt them. Next question. That is one. Take a couple of minutes, think on this question. Try to form an equation at least. As for the first line, certain amount of money divide equally among n person. What is the number of people? N. What is the average amount each one got? 352. What is total amount then? It will be 352 into n. This part is okay. Number of people are n. Each person got 352. So what is total amount? 350 into n. What is second condition? If two persons receive 506 each, the remaining amount is divided equally among other person. Each of them receive less than equal to 330. So if you look at second condition, two people got 506. It will be 506 into 2. What the remaining number of people is n minus 2. Each one got k. It must be equal to 352n again. This part is okay. 2 people got 506. Remaining people got k. Remaining people got k. And remaining people are n minus 2. Just solve this equation. 1012 nk minus 2k 352n. So from this equation, we want a value of k, or better keep it k as a common only. So there is nothing but n minus 2 into k equal to 352n minus 1012. What is k will be then? 352n minus 1012 whole divided by n minus 2. That's correct. Total amount is nothing but total amount minus 1012 is correct. They given a condition. Each of them receives less than equal to 330. It's very important. Understand, k should be less than equal to 330 is given in the question. K should be less than equal to 330. Indirectly, my equation will be 352n minus 1012 whole divided by n minus 2 must be less than equal to 330. You just solve this equation. Just solve this equation. Find a value of n. Shweta, what is your doubt? Please ask. कहां से मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है, बता सकते हो मुझे? स्टार्ट से क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्या आपको? यहाँ पे n का मतलब क्या था? What is n in this question? Correct. And what is average? Every person got 352. So what is total amount? Is it 352n? Is it okay? Equation 1 clear है क्या? Very good. What is second condition given? 2 people got 506. So can I say 506 into 2? How many people remaining now out of n? Can I say n minus 2? And for remaining n minus 2, everybody got k. For remaining n minus 2, everybody got k. The total must be equal to initial total now. Is it okay? This equation clear now? Yeah. You just solve the equation in terms of k now. Just solve the equation in terms of k now, because question asks for maximum value of n. तो n को रखना है आपको, n कैंसिल नहीं करोगे आप. So as per the inequality modulus class, just cross multiply. Take n this side, take number this side. So 20 to n. What a remaining number will be here? So 1012 minus 660. Is it 352? Divided by 22. Solve this. So this is n less than equal to 16 then. What a maximum value will be 16 then. Is it okay? Any questions? Shweta, is it clear now? Can I proceed? Any doubts? For next question. Okay, let's continue now session. Okay, there are two types of shirts again: white shirts and what? Blue shirts. If I consider number of white shirts, X, blue I'm taking Y. What a rate given here? 1000 and 1125. So what is equation then? 1000x Y. I can say total cost price. Is it okay so far? Now, if you look at the given condition here, price increased by 25%, and then they given 10% discount. The first price increased by 25%, and they given 10% discount. So you can use that successive percentage change formula. Plus 25 minus 10, 25 into minus 10, whole divided by 100. So plus 15, and this is nothing but minus 2.5. Indirectly plus 12.5 percentage. Overall profit is 12.5%. The profit equal to 12.5%, which is equivalent to what? 1 by 8. So simply I can say profit is given how much? If I look at a question given 51,000. So 51,000 is nothing but equivalent to 1000x plus 1125y into 12.5%. So this is 1000x 1125y into multiply by 1 by 8. Do the calculation, form an equation. Solve the equation. If I divide by 125, throughout the equation, what the equation will be then? Divide by 125. So 8x plus 9y, it must be equal to 3264. This part is okay. 8x plus 9y equal to 3264. Any doubt so far? Please ask. Any doubt so far? Please ask. Is it okay? Can I proceed? Use our successive percentage change formula. Successive percentage change formula. Question will be more easy. So we got 8x plus 9y equal to 3264. We'll continue next slide now. What do we got equation now? 8x plus 9y 3264. So suppose if I put y equal to 0, what will x will be then? Again, we need to apply that special equation concept here. If I put y equal to 0, what will x will be then? Y equal to 0, the x will be I think 408. So this should be increased by 8. This should be decreased by 9. What is asked in the question? The maximum possible number of total number of shirts. Question asks the total number of shirts. So next number will be this is 8. And this is nothing but 399. In this case, what is total will be? 408. In this case, total will be 407. Next number, if I consider this is 18, and this is 390. Sorry, increase by 8. It should be 16. Become 406 then. So answer is 407 here. 408 is not possible because y cannot be 0 here. This part is okay. CR, your logic is correct, but at the same time, you must satisfy this equation. 8x plus 9y equal to 3264. You must satisfy that equation also. This condition clear? Again, this question based on spatial equation concept. How is possible x and y in point? X and y number of shards. That cannot be in a point then. Is it okay? X and y are number of shards. It cannot be in a points. Let's check the next question now. Next question. Try to work. Suppose if the number is x, so x is greater than what? 8 raised to n. And x is less than what? 8 raised to m. So this is nothing but 2 raised to 3n. And this is 2 raised to 3m. And this is also in terms of power of k. This is also power of 2. And there are 41, exactly 41 integers are there. There are 41 terms which can be written in the power of 2 and between this range. Is it given information clear? Is it given information clear? X is a number which can be written, should be written in terms of power of 2. In that range, there are 41 terms are there. This is the value of x. X should be in the form of 2 raised to y. And indirectly for y, there are 41 possibilities are there. Y, 41 cases will be there. Indirectly, 3m minus 3n must be equal to 42. In between, there are 41 terms are there. So 3m minus 3n should be 42. M minus n equal to 14. I can try to guess the value of m and n now. The smallest possible value of n plus n. Smallest possible m plus n. Try to guess the value of m and n now. Do the guesswork. Try to guess the value of m and n. I can say m equal to 1, m equal to 15, n equal to 1. Maybe I can say 16 and this is 2. In this case, what is n plus n will be then? 16. Will be 18. Question asks minimum answer. This 42 is more important. This 42 is more important. Any question? Is it okay? This equation is clear. See, what is the condition given? X should be in the power in terms of power of 2. So I can write x equal 2 raised to y. How many possibilities for y here? 41 possibilities are there. Is it okay? x हमेशा 2 के पावर में आएगा और y जो होगा इन दोनों के बीच में आएगा और y के 41 केसेस है. Is correct? Is it okay? y 41 केसेस से चेंज हो सकता है. तो प्रैक्टिकली व्हाट इज m माइनस n should be then 42. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear why 42? Is it clear why 42? अच्छा एक बात बताओ मुझे. If I take a number like this 1 2 3 4 5, between 1 and 5 how many numbers are there? Between 1 and 5 how many numbers are there? Can I say 3? Am I right? So can I say indirectly 5 minus 1 is 4? I hope this is clear now. समझ में आ रहा है क्या किया हमने? That is the reason we got n minus m, 3n minus 3m equal to 42. I hope this is a clear example, clear. In this question, 42 is more important. So let's take the next question now. Try to work this one. Try to solve. Just equate these two and take the equation. 4pq is equal to 72. So p into q we got 18. Now we can work on this equation part. Solve the equation again. 45, I think. So we know two equations. So just do the guesswork. Do the guesswork for P and Q now. Do the guesswork for P and Q now. Tell me what is the possible value of P and Q. We satisfy both the condition. What is the possible value of P and Q? You solve this, I'm getting P and Q is equal to 6 or 3. So question asked here, what is the maximum and minimum difference we want? For maximum, I can say P equal to 6, Q equal to 3. Do the calculation. 216 minus 27. What the answer of this will be? 189. And for minimum, what will take? Better take P equal to 3 and Q equal to 6. So 3 cube minus 6 cube. Take a gap. 27 minus 216. And question of difference between these two. We're looking for gap between these two. Do the calculation. It will be 378. Is okay? Is it clear? Any doubts here? Is it okay? Very simple question. Little bit guesswork required here. Do the guesswork. Question is easy. Is it clear? Can I proceed? Yeah, this is an easy question. You can try as homework, guys. It's very easy question. Try as homework. Please take a screenshot of this. Try to solve this question as homework. Try this one now. This is one of the cat question. Answer for question number 11 is 7. Answer for question 11 is 7. Try this one. What is first equation given? X plus y is equal to 4. Second equation is given a plus 5 into x. Second equation. Achha, what is condition given? Infinitely solution. Infinite solution given. Infinite solution. What is the meaning of that? The ratio of the coefficient must be equal. Indirectly 1 upon a plus 5 must be equal to 1 upon b square minus 15 must be equal to 1 upon ADB. Sorry. 4 upon ADB. So just solve these two equations, find value B now. Compare these equations, find value B now. Solve this equation. If I do the cross multiplication, I'm getting something like this. 2b equal to b square minus 15. So b square minus 2b minus 15 equal to 0. We solve these factors. What if factor will be here? It will be plus 5 minus 3. If b equal to plus 5, solve the equation again. Do the cross multiplication. We got 10 equal to a plus 5. Indirectly a equal to 5. Similarly, if I say b equal to minus 3, do the cross simplification again. So minus 6 equal to a plus 3. A will be minus 9. So in this case, what is answer AB will be then? It will be 5 into 5. It will be 25. In this case, what is AB? Minus 9 into minus 3 will be 27. So 27. Guys, any doubts, any numbers or mistake? Please share a calculation part. Any calculation mistake? Is calculation correct, na, guys? In second case, we got b equal to minus 3. Become minus 6. So minus 6 equal to a plus 3. A we got minus 9. Am I right? Oh, sorry. You say a plus 5. Minus 11 then. So minus 11 into minus 3 will be 33. So 33 is a maximum answer. Maximum value will be 33. Is it okay? Is it clear? Very simple question. Can I proceed? Shweta, in second case, just put b equal to minus 3. Just put b equal to minus 3. If I put b equal to minus 3, a will be minus 11. If I do the calculation, a will be minus 11. Is it okay? Next question. This question can be quickly done, guys. Very easy question. So ahead of Pinky, how many people are there? And is it behind? The given ratio 3 is to 5. So maybe I can say 3x. This is a 5x. And this is 1. What is total number of people will be then? 3x plus 1 plus 5x. Nothing but 8x plus 1. And this 8x plus 1 must be less than 300. Just do the calculation. Very simple question. Do the calculation. Very simple question. Simplify the equation now. So 299 divided by 8. It will be 37 point something. Exactly divisible है. No, 37 point something. So x equal to 37 max to max. What is ahead of Pinky? 3x. So max to max. Is it okay? Very simple question. Next question. Is very good question. Try to work. There are 6 distinct natural number. Very important, distinct. So I can assume like this: A, B, C, D, E, and F. So what is condition given? What is average of last two? Average equal to 14. So sum equal to 28. What is average these two given? 28. Sum will be 56. So basically, we want average of all the 6 numbers. So we need to guess these two numbers now. Very important. We need to guess this number. But it should be max to max. This should be max to max. Think on guesswork now. Now all the numbers are different. All the numbers are different. Anchal, take a screenshot afterward. Do the guesswork now. So 14 is average for A and B given. One method I can say both are 14, 14. But that is not possible because both are different. What a better number I can take? This is 13 and this is 15. Anupriya, sum is double. Average is given, sum will be double. Same for E and F. One method I can say both are 28, 28. Not possible. I can say 29 and this I can say 27. So with respect to that, this number I can take 26. This number I can take 25. So add all the numbers now. 28. Sum should be 51. Sum should be 56. So what is the overall sum? Add all the numbers. Is 135. So average equal to 135 divided by 6. Max to max. And is a maximum sum. This part is okay. Very simple question, but guesswork is more important. How to maximize the number very more important. I just suppose same question as the minimum. That what will C and D will take? Same question asks for minimum. Then what will C and D will take? C will be 16, D will be 17. Very good. C will be 16, D will be 17. So take the next question. Try this one. A and B are two non-negative real number. Very important. Non-negative real number. Very important. Non-negative real number is not your integer. It can be point also. Then find the maximum minimum possible value of A plus B. Average of maximum and minimum A plus B. Is not given A and B are integer. Very, very important. A and B are not integer. It may be, it may not be. If it is already given A and B are integer, question is more easy. A plus 2B equal to 6. So I can write it like this also. So A plus B equal to 6 minus B. Why have taken A plus B? Because question asks for A plus B. Question asks for A plus B. So I need to maximize this. To maximize A plus B, B should be minimum. So better assume B is 0. A plus B maximum is 6. Is it okay? So far, this is clear. To maximize the value of A plus B, B should be minimum. And B is non-negative given. Non-negative. So better take B equal to 0 then. Now what is second possibilities? A plus B equal to 6 minus B. To find minimum of this, what is B then? To minimize this, B should be maximum. But very important, A and B are non-negative. For example, if I put B equal to 4, then what is the equation then? They put B equal to 4. A plus 4, 6 minus 4. In that case, what is the answer? A will be then? A is minus 2. It's not possible. If I put B equal to 3, A plus 3 equal to 6 minus 3. We got A equal to 0. Is possible. In this case, what is A plus B? Minimum will be 3 plus 0. But we want average of both. What is maximum answer? 6. What is minimum answer? 3. Whole divided by 2. This part is okay. Very important, A and B are non-negative real numbers. So second part is more important. To A plus B minimum, B should be maximum. But understand A and B cannot be negative. Is good enough? Is it okay? Question 15, is it clear? Again, completely based on guesswork. It's completely based on guesswork. Can I proceed? That is on question 16. Is one of the cat question. Is one of the cat question. Try to work. Form a equation, very important. Mangoes, bananas, and apples. At least one fruit of each type. Suppose if I say total number of fruits are X at the start, what do you think? Mangoes will be then? It's going 40%. Banana and apple, we don't know. What is the breakup of banana and apple? We don't know. That day he sells half of the mangoes. Half of these mangoes sold. It becomes 0.2x then. Sold. And 40% apple is sold. But what is number of apple? We don't know. What is number of apple? We don't know. Suppose number of apples are y. It becomes 0.4y. But if you look at overall how many fruits are sold, 50%. The equation will be like this. 0.2x plus 96, 0.4y. So take all the x one side, form an equation. Might be I can say 0.3x minus 0.4y equal to 96. So this is nothing but 3x minus 4y equal to 960. Again, value of x and y. Use spatial equation method. I've just taken a variable. S. What is the doubt in this question? I don't know. I've just taken a variable. मैं इसे वेरिएबल लेके सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. I'm just taking the variables. So just form an equation now. Question asks smallest value of x. X should be minimum to minimum. So I can do the guesswork. Suppose if I put y equal to 0, what x will be then? 320. After that, this should be increased by 3 and this should be increased by 4 as special equation chapter. This continue. So this process continue. But tell me which value is correct here? Which value is correct here? I got so many values. It is given at least one fruit of each type. At least one fruit of each type. So this first case is ruled out. Achha, can I put y equal to 3? Can I put y equal to 3? Understand, if I put y equal to 3, what is the answer of this? If y equal to 3, so what is 0.4y will be then? We got 1.2, but number of fruits cannot be 1.2, na? Number of fruits cannot be 1.2. This also ruled out then. Same way 6 also ruled out. 9 also ruled out. 12 also ruled out. 15 will be correct. If y equal to 15, so 0.4y will be what? 0.4 into 15. Nothing but 6. So this case is valid, very important. So max to max, what is x? Max smallest. Question asks the smallest value of x. Is 340. But many students go with 320 for an answer. That is wrong. Many students will go with 320 for an answer. That is wrong. 320 for not a correct answer. This session will not be repeated again. Sorry. So what is minimum value of x will be then? 340. 324 is not the answer. When x equal to 324, y equal to 3. But with y equal to 3, number of sold apple will not be in a point. Will not be in a, it will get a point. But number of apples cannot be in a point. Is good enough? Is it okay? If you do 12 into 0.4, what is the answer? Anupriya, if I take 12, what is 12 into 0.4? That is 4.8. But number of apples cannot be 4.8. Number of apples cannot be 4.8. It should be integer. Is it okay? Clear? Is it okay? ठीक है? Very good question, exam point of view. Take the next question now. Guys, this is a very easy question. Can you please try this as homework? It's very easy question. So let's finish this. Chalo, take the number. What is the number given? The number of coins collected per week in the ratio of 3:4. 1 week A and B. I can say 3x. I can say 4x. Total number of coins collected by in 5 weeks. A in 5 weeks. Can I say 1 week 3x? So this becomes 3x into 5. Good enough. 1 week equal to 3x. So 5 week will be 15x. And for B is given 3 weeks. Will be 12x. But what is the condition given? For A, answer should be multiple of 7. This should be multiple of 7. This should be multiple of 7. And this should be multiple of 24. This number should be multiple of 7 and multiple of. This should be multiple of 7. At the same time, this should be multiple of 24. Now to make it multiple of 7, if I put x equal to 7, what is the answer of this? 105 is a multiple of 7. But 12 to 7 if I do, 84 is not multiple of 7, multiple of 24. Not multiple of 24. This is ruled out then. Next number. If I put x equal to 14, it becomes 210. And 12 into 14. What is the answer of this? 12 into 14. Just multiply the number. Tell me the number. 12 into 14, 168. And 168 is a multiple of 24 also. If x equal to 14 is a valid number. What is asked in the question? The minimum possible number of coins collected by in 1 week. One week is a equal to what? 3x. Into 3 into 14. Answer is 42 then. Answer is 42. Is it clear? For A, it should be multiple of 7. For B, it should be multiple of what? 24. This part is okay. This is question 16. CXD. Please take a screenshot of this. Guys, remaining question tries homework. I'm giving a screenshot of this. Please take note of this question. Quickly take the screenshot of this. Try to do as homework. Question number 18. Try to do as homework. Question 19. Try this question as homework. Guys, please take a screenshot. Try to work as homework. Question 20. Homework. #21. This question also homework. 22. Okay, any particular question you want a homework screenshot, let me know. Guys, I'm giving question backside. Question 22. Please take a screenshot quickly. Question 21. Question 20. प्लीज ट्राई फर्स्ट आंसर कहीं ना कहीं मिल जाएगा आपको पहले खुद से ट्राई करो पहले आप क्वेश्चन 19 क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 क्वेश्चन 17 क्वेश्चन 16 क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 that's it those don't have any doubts or any screenshot required you can leave the class if you want question number 9 question number 18 बेटा इसमें y का वैल्यू ऐसे लेना है तुम्हें जिससे 0.4y इंटीजर आना चाहिए y का वैल्यू क्या लोगे जिससे 0.4 y का आंसर इंटीजर आएगा आपका, वो ढूंढना है तुम्हें से। Question 11 I given a homework. Question 11 I given a homework. Question 12. Question 10. Question 9. That's it? No. Question number 8. Question number 7. Question 6. Question 6. Question 5. Question 5. Question 4. Question 3. Question 2. Question 1. That's it. Chalo, we'll end the session now, guys. Good night, everyone.